Alex Holmes. I'm a lecturer in pharmacology. I'm a lecturer in the School of Biomedical Sciences.
I'm Jo Brown, I'm a lecturer in food science and nutrition.
And I'm one of the founding members of the lab-based learning community. And I'm one of the co-leads of the lab-based learning community.
And I'm one of the co-founders of the lab-based learning community.
We first met at Student Education Conference and Alex and I went to see Jo's poster, which was all about lab-based learning in the university. And we came up with this idea of should we connect across faculties, across disciplines, take these ideas further. Labs are a space that really has a lot of active learning, a lot of experiential learning, and there feels like there's a bit of a gap when it comes to pedagogical research and scholarship in that area. So we're really keen to set up a community so people could share their experiences, kind of talk about projects they might want to do, but overall get that sense of community and learning from each other.
Hi, I'm Molly.
And I'm Becca.
And we're both PGR demonstrators. I think you just get an example of other experiences in lab-based communities. It's easy to think about your own experience as a demonstrator, but then it's to think about how the students think, how the academics think.
I think it gives you an opportunity as well to think about things that I definitely hadn't considered as a demonstrator going into designing teaching sessions, and it's a really collaborative and friendly space.
I'm Grishma Lakshmi and I'm from the School of Food Science and Nutrition. This session was related to my capstone research project actually. I'm trying to find out what students are experiencing in labs. There are, I think, many people who are still intimidated about being in labs and not sure about how things work around, so I think it would be a great help to such kind of students, including me, I'd say.
3 words that I would use to describe the community: filling the gap. It's been really important to create this community following on from my Light Fellowship and to bring something to life that was missing within the university, and where there was an active voice for a need for technicians, demonstrators and people interested in delivering laboratory classes or laboratory teaching to come together and share their expertise, share their practices. So it's been really nice to see.
My name is Hui and I was a first year PGR student from the School of Design. It's really a fresh experience for me to know, okay, a lot of people do amazing work for students to more engage in learning.
It is really exciting to see all the things that go on in the university across different faculties.
You get an opportunity to speak to people that in other contexts you probably wouldn't have really interacted with.
I'm Grace Roberts. I'm a scientific officer in biomedical sciences. Every day I see people in my faculty in my school who do labs, and it's great to teach and learn from them, but just seeing what everyone's doing across all the faculty, there's so much crossover between us and food science and physics and engineering, and it can be so useful just to see what works for the people and think, can I implement that in mine? We exist to improve stuff, and I feel like we're always striving to do something better and make it better for students. It doesn't matter what type of lab it is, you're welcome.
I think what's been really nice to reflect on over this past year is seeing the achievements at the community. We always get a little bit lost in terms of when we're doing it day to day, seeing if there's any impact. We've really achieved some big goals and the objectives that we wanted to in terms of bringing people together, creating collaboration, moving things forward, sharing problems.
It's been really great to see lots of different people get involved, so it's not just academics, there's also technicians, PGR demonstrators, professional services. Everyone is basically welcome here, so it is really a space for lots of different people. It's just really exciting.